Hi, Shohit. How are you doing?
I'm doing very well. So good to see you.
Same
What's
here, same
happening
here.
आजकल?
Thank you for having me at your live at
Right.
Dr. Vaidya's.
Sure. Yes. तो क्या चल रहा है आजकल शीन? What are you up to?
Just the quarantine routine. Uh, Waking up, cooking, cleaning, doing exercise, and all of that. What are you up
Right.
to?
Oh, I'm just working and doing a lot of house chores. I'm helping out. तो जितने भी लोग यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं, please अपने house chores करिए. Help your parents. I just want to check once. Can everyone hear me? Am I audible?
You are audible to me at least. I hope everybody else can also hear you.
Guys, can you hear me? If you
And
can,
me too.
please just write yes in the comments. We can hear you so that I can continue with the session. Okay, perfect. I think it's fine. It's okay, perfect. So, Sheen, now that we have you today with us, first question is that everyone wants to know this on a regular day. What's the life, like for a TV actor? What happens, the behind the scenes? And I'm sure this must be like a pre-COVID thing for you because it's been quite a while since we've been in lockdown. But I'm sure everyone, जितने
True.
भी यहाँ पे, everyone wants to know how does it work?
Well, Shohit, it's very different from how it is on screen. Like a 15-minute episode that goes on air, we actually have to work for it for about say 2 to 3 days, and
Two
sometimes for weeks
days?
also.
Wow.
Yeah. So it is actually, honestly speaking, it is hectic because of the irregular shooting hours and then the long breaks in between. That's unpredictable. You don't know कि वो break कब खत्म होगा and when you'll resume your shooting.
Right.
Then after having a long day at work, you also have to take care of your health. तो 12-13 घंटे काम करना एंड देन 2-3 घंटे उसके बाद ट्रैवल करना, उसके बाद भी हैव टू टेक टाइम आउट टू एक्सरसाइज बिकॉज हेल्थ इज इम्पोर्टेंट. इम्यूनिटी ही नहीं होगी तो हाउ विल वी वर्क फॉर सो लॉन्ग आवर्स.
Acha. So, Sheen, coming on the immunity thing, I think now the voice is better. I was just getting some messages right here on the comment section that आवाज नहीं आ रही थी. So I thought I'll just take the phone in my hand now. Just tell me regarding the immunity thing, that now since all of us are staying at home, and specifically for all of us, it's very difficult not to eat junk or just go for a cola or have an ice cream. So how do we how do you control that, or how does it work? Because I'm definitely trying, right? And जितने भी लोग यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं, I'm sure आप सब लोग भी try कर रहे हैं जितना जंक फूड कम खाने की, क्योंकि आपको करना चाहिए. Health is very important. So Sheen,
हेल्थ इज वेरी
are you
इम्पोर्टेंट.
are you are you cooking at home?
Shohit, sometimes I do cook at home, but mostly it is my mom. And as you said, health is very important. Specifically speaking about this period, the COVID time, we really, really need to take care of our health. And how do we do that? सब कुछ ना stomach से related होता है. Whatever goes in, that shapes you up, and it is very important. It's hard क्योंकि मैं खुद ही I love samosas, I love French fries, and all of that, but it is very important to control, especially during this time. We are avoiding all of this, especially the fried food first, क्योंकि fried
Right.
food has been trans fat होता है उसके अंदर, so it will trigger your
Right.
inflammation, and then there's
Red
the
meat.
trans fat is not. Red meats, of course, red meat के बारे में आयुर्वेदा तो says don't eat it. It's not good. कोविड है या नहीं है, रेड मीट नहीं लेना चाहिए. रीजन बीइंग उसमें फैट्स तो होते ही हैं that make you fat and that weakens your immunity. But उसके अंदर ना शोहिद, there's this sugar, okay, there's this particular sugar which our body cannot digest easily. It takes days to digest. It's not वो वाला sugar जो fruit में होता है. fruit wala sugar is different. So red meat to definitely I'll say one should avoid. Also, you know, there are other stuff like, you know, recently कुछ साल पहले कुछ instant noodles they went off the shelf.
Yeah.
उनको production बंद हो गया था. What was the reason? Because MSG, you know, it's not good for health. Again, it weakens the immunity, and
Very important.
so particularly about the instant food and the processed food that we are picking up from the market, जो कि generally इस वक्त बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है because lot of us don't know how to cook. So we pick up instant food and all of that. So I would suggest to just have a look at the label at least. It should not say that it has MSG, okay? Then you can have it, I think. And what else? Try to have good food, light food, oil come, masala come. Yeah.
And a lot of people prefer caffeinated beverages a lot, right?
A lot.
They really want that caffeine kick. So is there a solution for that? I'm sure काफी सारे coffee fans भी हमारी audience में आज यहाँ पे आए हैं. If you're there, please do tell us. Raise your hands. Some coffee is fine. Excessive coffee is not good. So Sheen, do tell us what are the other ways, other things than coffee that we can have? Like maybe
for the coffee lovers, I would just say one thing, भाई coffee पीनी भी है तो कम पियो और you know शाम को मत पियो, सोने से पहले तो बिल्कुल ही मत पियो because anyway coffee जो है आपके जो normal system होता है ना उसको disturb कर देता है. एक rhythm होता है आपकी body का उसको disturb कर देता है. और दूसरी बात you know it makes you acidic also.
Right.
Okay, so that is why it is very important कि हम caffeine को avoid करें.
I think जो हम message देना चाहते हैं हमारे सारे viewers को, everyone who's tuning in today, what we want to say is that it's very important to have a balanced diet, and you should always see what you're doing. You can maybe have 1 or 2 days wherein you just go all out and आप वो सब खाते हैं जो आपको पसंद है. But
your cheat days.
We should take care of our what they call as cheat days. We should take care of our diet. Now, Sheen, apart from food, how else do you take care of your well-being?
Food, I said, Shohit, you know, take care of what you're having. No aerated drinks, less of caffeine, and no fried stuff. And apart from that, I think it is very important to exercise.
Right.
You know. वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. इस टाइम पे हम लोग बहुत लेजी हो गए हैं, हम लोगों के पास कोई शेड्यूल नहीं है. यू नो वर्क हम लोगों को पुश देता है कि बॉस इज वेटिंग, यू नो यू कैन नॉट बी लेट, बट एट दिस टाइम हम पे कोई सर्विलेंस नहीं है, तो वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट. ओके, वी हैव टू हैव अ सर्विलेंस ऑन आवरसेल्व्स and make a schedule. So waking up on time.
Yes. Sorry, Sheen, I'm cutting you in the middle. But is there things like, you know, making sure आप लोग enough time के लिए सो रहे हैं, having the right kinds of stress busters, maybe you do some kind of an activity that really helps you shelve that stress, जो आपको कम करता है वो stress आने से, and some kind of structure and routine जैसे आप बता रहे थे. तो अगर उसके बारे में आप थोड़ा सा बता सकते हैं अपने इन सब लोगों को जो हमें देख रहे हैं अभी.
Definitely, Shohit, at this time, you know, all of us, most of us are lost, especially those who are not going to their jobs, who are not working from home. For them, I would just say, guys, you gotta sleep well. ये नहीं कि रात भर, you know, you are watching. कोई, you know, time ही नहीं है, time limit ही नहीं है. Even on Instagram, you know, you have an option where you can see कि मैंने आज कितने घंटे तक Instagram किया है या कितने घंटे तक. Proper sleep, adequate sleep is very important. Okay. Right. Also, one should see, you know, ज़्यादा भी ना सोएं. अभी क्या है? अभी people oversleep. That will make you more, you know, it'll just sink you and it'll make you feel more depressed. You have to just take a good 6-7 hours sleep. Okay, that's adequate enough. And then wake up, exercise. Do Kapalbhati, do breathing exercises. And then like you said कि क्या करना चाहिए, stress busters है ना, सबके लिए different होते हैं. I think abhi I've started to explore the dance form, that Kathak that I'm doing. A lot of people who follow me would know. Okay, that's a stress buster for me.
Right.
Uh,
So Kathak
apart
is
from that,
something that you are actively doing. It's helping you
yes.
keep at peace. आपको अच्छा लगता है. काफी सारे लोग लिख रहे हैं. वो लोग योगा कर रहे हैं. कुछ लोग ये भी लिख रहे हैं पबजी. पबजी भी खेलें ठीक है, but एक टाइम फ्रेम के अंदर पबजी खेलें. A lot of people are writing different things that they are doing. Guys, लिखते रहिए आप लोग क्या करते हैं. Whatever all of you do, please do keep writing. Some people are also saying maybe to show them how to do Kapal Bharti. I would say to all those people writing that comment that Sheen and a lot of other actresses go live doing active fitness videos, तो उन्हें वो देखना चाहिए. And Sheen, coming to the next thing, right? And which is important that we at Dr. Ayurvedas genuinely want to ask you. I read in one of the interviews कि आपका आयुर्वेदा से बहुत रिलेशनशिप रहा है अपनी लाइफ में. आप उनसे काफी इम्पैक्ट हुए हैं अपनी लाइफ में. हेलो.
Sorry, you're not audible. I can see you now.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
You're audible.
तो मैं ये पूछ रहा था कि हम डॉक्टर वैद्यास में पूछना चाहते थे कि वी हैव रेड इन अ कपल ऑफ इंटरव्यूज दैट आयुर्वेदा का आपका काफी इम्पैक्ट रहा है आपकी लाइफ पे. तो इफ यू कैन टेल अस हाउ दैट इज.
आयुर्वेदा से मेरा बहुत पुराना रिश्ता है. जब मैं आयुर्वेदा को इतने अच्छे से शायद जानती भी नहीं थी, उसकी इम्पोर्टेंस मुझे पता भी नहीं थी उस टाइम से, क्योंकि कमिंग फ्रॉम एन इंडियन फैमिली, आयुर्वेदा का एसेंस जो है, हम लोग रूट से जुड़े हुए हैं. बिकॉज आवर मदर्स, आवर ग्रैंड मदर्स, दे ऑलवेज फीड देयर चिल्ड्रन विद things that are beneficial for their immunity, and that comes from Ayurveda. Like, I'll share one thing with you, Shohit. I used to hate the kadhas that Mama used to make for me when I used to go to school.
Same.
It used to have all good things, tulsi, ginger, kali mirch and all of that. But
ये सारी all these. Yeah.
हाँ, so मुलेठी, अश्वगंधा, the herbs basically, और वो ना कड़वा हो जाता था. But not knowing the importance, I used to just block my nose and drink it, like how we used to drink milk bachpan mein. So, but now I realize how important it is. It is the root of your immunity. It is important to improve your immunity from the root itself. And I see nowadays, as you grow older, you forget the essence of Ayurveda, of increasing your immunity, so busy in your work. But one should realize, like for somebody like me today, if I can stand for 12-13 hours in heat working for my show, it's all because I've had those, if not the herbs directly, but in form of supplements or in other forms that I can take. It's because of that the immunity has grown, and it helps us fight all the diseases.
Right. Sheen, you said a very good point that how जितने भी आज लोग यहाँ पे हैं लाइफ पे, हम उन्हें ये बोलना चाहते हैं कि आप लोग अपनी इम्यूनिटी पे बहुत फोकस कीजिए. अगर आपको लगता है आप घर में ये चीजें नहीं बना सकते हैं, तो आप ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स को देखिए जहां से आप खरीद सकते हैं. ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स या कुछ देखिए. बट इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग इम्यूनिटी. Everyone is doing good stuff around us trying to combat this virus. But extremely important that in the coming times we see what we eat, right? How our schedule is and all of that. Right, so Sheen, I would like to take some questions now. If जिन लोगों को questions हैं, please अभी comment section में या question sticker पे डालिए, and I will share those questions and ask Sheen right now before we end this live as well. Hi Sakshi, hello. Okay, so I think I made food. What should? Okay, so I'm getting some questions. I'm looking. Okay. शीन एक पर्सन ने यहाँ पे लिखा है कि what to do if you do not know exactly कि आपको काढ़ा कैसा बनाना है, या हम वो सारे हेल्दी स्टफ कैसे खाएं, इम्यूनिटी कैसे बढ़ाएं, एक पूछ रहे हैं वेट लॉस कैसे करें, तो इसकी कोई सिंपल टिप्स हैं आपके पास?
ऑनेस्टली ये बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग है क्योंकि इतने सारे हर्ब्स होते हैं, जैसे कि जैसे मैंने बताया मुलेठी, अश्वगंधा, या पीपल लाइक मी, मेरे घर पे देखिए तुलसी है, हाँ, तो सब लोग ये नहीं कर सकते हैं, सब लोगों के पास इतना टाइम नहीं है कि वो इसको ग्रो करे और इसका काढ़ा बनाए या डायरेक्टली खाएं, बिकॉज बहुत ज्यादा कड़वी होती है. बट एट द सेम टाइम, बिकॉज वी नीड टू इम्प्रूव आवर इम्यूनिटी फ्रॉम द रूट्स, इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. तो आप ऐसी चीजें ढूंढिए जो इसका जिसमें सप्लीमेंट्स होते हैं, जैसे दे हैव दीज एक्सट्रैक्ट्स ऑफ द हर्ब्स, तो दैट्स इजियर, है ना. तो आप किसी आयुर्वेदिक जो स्पेशलिस्ट हैं उनसे पूछ के कि आपका पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम क्या है, कि आपको फैट का प्रॉब्लम है या नींद नहीं आती है या वट एवर द रीजन, पेट का कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, तो अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन हैव दो सप्लीमेंट्स, आस्किंग द स्पेशलिस्ट, आयुर्वेदा स्पेशलिस्ट, कि क्या ले सकते हैं.
Okay,
तो
perfect.
इजी है ना, यू जस्ट हैव टू पॉप इन द पिल, यू डोंट हैव टू मेक द काढ़ा एंड
राइट. तो मैं देख रहा हूँ काफी लोग इंस्टाग्राम पे यहाँ पे लिख रहे हैं कि हमें वेट लॉस से रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम है, या हमें हेडेक है, माइग्रेन है, या हम इम्यूनिटी के लिए क्या ले. मैं सबको यहाँ बताना चाहता हूँ, अगर आप जानना चाहते हैं यू कैन गो ऑन www.drvaidyas.com. आप हमारे सारे प्रोडक्ट्स वहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. आप जो भी ऑर्डर प्लेस करेंगे, फार्म इजी डिलीवर करता है, जोमेटो डिलीवर करता है, स्विगी डिलीवर करता है. वील मेक श्योर कि हम सबसे सेफ वे में आपके यहाँ पे ये सारे के सारे प्रोडक्ट्स पहुँचवाएं. So yes, and Sheel, thank you so much for coming in on this show, on this Instagram live with us. It's really sweet of you to join in and say hi to all of our users and to your fans.
Shohit, honestly, it's my pleasure to be associated with a brand like Dr. Vaidyas, because it's an old trusted brand, and besides that, I am promoting the local, like how we say, the brand that grows in India and sells in India. So all the best to you guys. I really like what you're doing.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining in. And to everyone else, जो भी टेक्निकल क्वेश्चंस आप पूछ रहे हैं, या आपको लगता है कोई बहुत टेक्निकल या वैसा क्वेश्चन है, डॉक्टर वैद्यास के डॉक्टर्स बैठते हैं, आप उनको हमारी हेल्पलाइन पे कॉल कर सकते हैं. आपको सारे नंबर्स इस लाइव के बाद मैं स्टोरी पे डाल दूंगा. आई विल ऑल्सो पुट इन द लिंक्स वेयर यू कैन गो एंड बाय. It was really nice. We are proud at Dr. Vaidyas. We call ourselves at the new age Ayurveda, right? So thank you so much, Sheen, and stay safe. Take care.
You too. Take care, Shohit. All of you all take care. Be healthy. Stay positive. That's the most important.
Yes.
Take care.
Thank you, Sheen.
Hi guys, my name is Arjun Vaidya and I'm the CEO of Dr. Vaidyas. I hope you like what you heard. If you want more content on health and Ayurveda in the 21st century, please click the subscribe icon. We've got a lot more coming for you.